Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Robinhood investing series. Let me start this video off by saying I'm not a financial advisor, just some guy investing on the internet. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 electric vehicle related stocks that I'm going to be adding to my portfolio in the very near future. Now, the first one on my list is BLNK, Blink Charging. So it's as it sounds, it's going to be a charging network for electric vehicles. And as electric vehicles get more popular and more mainstream, I do believe that obviously there's going to be more charging stations. Now, I'm going to be purchasing a decent amount of this stock this week, and it's my number one pick. Again, not a financial advisor. Second on my list is KNDI, Kandi Technologies. Now, they produce electric cars, tricycles, and tractors. And I was on this company's website, and they do focus a lot on batteries. Again, I would highly recommend you do your own research before you decide to purchase any of these stocks. Going back to Blink Charging, you'll see within the last week, it jumped up 96%, which is awesome. Wish I was able to get it when it was at its $2.72 price point, but you snooze, you lose, and it is just only going to continue going up. Hopefully I can buy into a dip if that happens this week. So like I mentioned, Kandi Technologies, it is up 26% the past week. And then looking at the past month, it's still up just 25%. So I do believe you could get this stock at a relatively cheap price. And looking at it from a year's perspective, it looks like it is down 21%. Again, just something to add to your watch list and do more research on. Next is WKHS, Workhorse. Now, I already own shares of the stock. I did purchase it on the high end. I wish I was able to get it back when it was only $9, but now it is $20, and I'm going to be trying to lower my average cost. So I'm hoping for a dip this coming week so I could purchase a few more shares. This company builds batteries for electric vehicles and aircraft. So within the next few years, I do believe this is going to be a very important company for electric vehicles. So I'm going to be trying to get in as low as I can. Right now, I only have almost 5 shares, but hoping to double that this week. Next is NEO. Now, this is an electric vehicle manufacturing company, and within the last week, it jumped up 37%. Even within the last market day, it jumped up 18%. So again, another company I do believe is going to go up within the very near future. So buy it while you can. Another company on my list is SHLO. I believe it's Shiloh, something like that. But they are in the process of manufacturing lightweight components of vehicles, including electric vehicles. So I found like this presentation, this PowerPoint. They're basically trying to figure out a way to make vehicles a lot lighter, which is going to be awesome. Hopefully will lower cost. And also they are very environmentally friendly. They're using recycled material. So great for the environment, and I do believe that's the direction we're heading as people are trying to be more eco-friendly. Last on my list is stocks that I currently own on Webull and Robinhood. Solo, again, another electric vehicle manufacturing company that is breaking into the US market. As you can see within the last day, market day, it's gone up 34%. Within the last week, up 76%. So I was lucky enough to have an average cost on Webull at $2.22. And at this point, it is jumped up to $3.30 per share. And again, I'm just going to be purchasing more of these because I was able to get such a low average cost. At this point, I have about 300 shares total. I have 31 shares on Robinhood and about 270 shares on Webull. So if you guys would like to get yourself a free stock, feel free to use my referral links for Robinhood and Webull. You get 1 free share for signing up for Robinhood if you use my link, and you get 2 free stocks if you sign up for my link for Webull. You could read more about the additional details in the description below. Let me know what you guys are looking into this week, and good luck on the markets.